Welcome back to another episode of Blacktop Devil is Bored in the Garage. Today, however, is different. We have Ciro parts. So I kind of tricked Lady Devil. She was complaining about the passenger pegs on the Street Bob, which are just the stock round pegs. So she's been wanting some Ciro passenger mounts for the touring bike. So I told her to pick out some passenger pegs for the Street Bob, but actually she was picking out passenger pegs for the touring bike. So it's a little bit of a surprise for her. So let's open these boxes and I'll show you what we've got. So if you don't know what these are, they mount about right here on the bike to give the passenger a little extra room on long trips. Back in September, we did, well, from the beginning of September till the first week of October, we did 4,000 miles. And I have multiple positions I can put my feet. I've got the footboards, the highway pegs, and then I'll even rest my legs up here on the lowers once in a while. But she has nothing. All she's got is her passenger footboards. Once in a while, I'll let her put her legs up on top of me to kind of take a little pressure off. But we're going to surprise her with these Ciro mounts. And then the pegs we got, well, I'll just show you the pegs right now. So I got her these, she picked these out. They're a Kuryakyn, and they're a little wider peg. The reason she picked these out is, like I said, she thought they were going on the Street Bob. She doesn't love riding on the Street Bob because she's been spoiled with the Electra Glide. So we will see if she's surprised or not. Hey.
Hi.
Speak of the devil.
What's up?
So I was just telling the people of the internet here that I got you a little bit of a surprise. It's in that box. So do you want to try to guess what it is?
Yeah.
All right.
Is it a puppy?
No.
Baby turtles?
No.
Nespresso pods?
No.
Is it, you know?
Babe, come on, open the box.
The foot pegs! Yeah.
Remember when I had you pick those out for the Street Bob?
Yeah.
But there's one more thing underneath.
Are these for the big bike?
Yes, they are.
Yay! These will be so nice. Could I put them on today?
Yeah. So those pegs are going to go on those mounts.
Awesome.
And you're still stuck with the round ones on the Street Bob, but you never ride it anyway.
No, I don't like to ride that one.
Yeah. So do you want to put them on?
I do.
All right, let's do it.
Just kidding, I don't know what I'm doing. Try it out. Oh, why didn't we get these sooner? What do next? Excited about these. I think these will be great. I'll be able to move my leg, move my foot back and forth and not get so cramped up. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's do the other side.
Well, safe to say that my gift was well received.
Thank you. I've been wanting this forever. Mwah!
Well, we don't have them 100% cinched down yet, so I'm going to put some Loctite on them and make sure the adjustments are all good and everything's ready for the road. I don't want to have to adjust these 500 times on the road. We're going to do that real quick, but thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching Lady Devil
Get my hands dirty.
These were the Ciro Passenger Peg Mounts, and then we used a Kuryakyn peg. We got the little wider one so it'd fit her foot a little better. It's got a lot of thick rubber on it, so it'll be good for vibrations. Well, guys,
See you next time.